have too many brains, man. Trust me. Hey guys, this is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at the Country Music Awards. You see, here in Texas.
Kids, I stole it from Darth Vader.
We're gonna call you Darth Pool. How about that? This is Darth Pool. No, I'm just kidding, man. We're here at MonsterCon 2022. Elvis has left the building. And it's time to let in the monsters. Let's go inside. Come on in with me.
Welcome to MonsterCon 2022. Here at Williams Mall.
Yeah, baby. Dang, this dude is ginormous. I've seen the videos online, man. It does no justice. He's beast. Look at this. She got her Halloween outfit driving the train. Toot toot. Happy Halloween. You working today?
Yeah, wrestling shop.
You got wrestling going on?
Oh yeah, starts at 1.
All right, brother, I'll be there. And this guy, he's got all kinds of really cool painting. Look at that Venom. My daughter, or that Carnage over there. My daughter's gonna trip on that one. And we got some prices and everything like that. Oh, I'm gonna go through every battery today. That is so cool. Look at that. I don't know if y'all ever watched the new Prey on Hulu. I liked it. We got some Carnage right over there in Venom. Oh, Lord have mercy. This is a cool store right here. It's called Leveled Up. And here we are. We got the MonsterCon 2022 right here, Rolling Oaks Mall. All right, so we got this balloon thing. We're gonna have some celebrities here. Ed Gein's always here. He's a cool cat, man. I really like him. He's the guy that drove the truck, the semi-truck, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre to end. He's so cool. And look at that, Michael Myers all the way over there. And we got Michael. So we have a whole bunch of things here you can buy. So come out and throw some money down on the tables like gambling. Bunch of tumblers. Air fresheners for the car. How cool is that? We got like the Scare Bear. Well, we're gonna call it Scare Bear, but it's cherry leather, pina colada. And we got black ice. Look at that, it looks like the dancers from SeaWorld, the Monster Stomp. This is really neat. Lots of cool little things here. Look at this. And there's all the information you need right there. Look at that. Make your car smell horrific, but yet beautiful. Actually, I can smell it all right now as I walk by. Oh, look at this one. We have a Chucky. I love my Chucky. Okay, so check that out. That's the Chernobog Creations? Chernobog? And you can visit them there and you can get your very own Pinhead doll or Jason or anything else. Look at even the spiders are really neat. Look at that. Super cool. And see, you can always come to the food court if you're hungry. I don't think he wants food. I think he wants me. But in case he's hungry, there's a food court right here too, so help yourself to some food. Looking good, my man, looking good. We're coming around Spencer's, and here's some more people. Look at they were there having a party with Chucky. But check this out, man. We have some more Chucky, we have some monsters. That's what we came to see, because that's why they call this MonsterCon. Woo, looking good, my friends, looking good. Don't know if I want to mess with them though. Oh, look at this, she looks good. What's up, little baby? How you doing? Got a fist bump for me? Kapow, right on. You guys looking great. We have Chucky right here. My Chucky like that has gone completely bald. His hair all dry rotted out. And we have Tiffany, check this out. Oh, and this is the spicy donuts. Look at this. They're so hot, they're spicy. Look at that. All kinds of really cool things here. Nope, we're not clowning around. Because this is MonsterCon 2022.
Right, to SpookYouLaterz.
Oh, damn it, he even knows me.
I know you very
I
well.
don't have too many brains, man, trust me. Look at this. You didn't want my brains. All right, my man. I'll be seeing you soon. And check this out, man. We have E.T. and we got the big boy. And this is all old school Halloween here, man. That's what makes Halloween fun. Look at this. And we got downstairs. I haven't even hit downstairs yet. That's a pretty cool sign right there. The Critters, man. Y'all remember that? That's a cool show. Or a cool movie, I should say. And then we got the wrestling shop. We came once before. That's pretty fun, man. These guys are pretty neat. Very energetic. And we got some serious looking belts here. Look at this. They got some bling bling. Hey, polish these things up and make them sparkle.
We have all these belts restone, what you call restone.
Really?
By myself, yeah.
Oh, you did it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, right on, man.
Yep. Hayes Evolution restone.
Alright, so
Instagram, all that kind of stuff. So
there's all the information you need to know if you're interested in getting a belt like this. Just to look good.
yep. Name's Athens Hayes. Do them all, whichever. If you got a stone in it, I can do it.
You got a stone and I'll put it in, man. Appreciate it, brother.
Oh, no problem.
Look at this, man. This is so cool. There's my man.
Right, wrestling shop. Wrestling shop right here, folks. I know. Y'all listening to me because Brian SpookYouLaterz here. So I'm going to have a crazy monster smash.
Market it, man.
Right here.
Oh.
Hardcore.
What time?
1 o'clock, baby.
1 o'clock?
1 o'clock.
All right, so we got lots of stuff over here. And we got this movie. Still needs to be made. He's like, don't be scared. That's Michael. Ocho Cinco. Ocho Cinco. Hollywood, baby. She got a bloody shirt on. She got battle wounds. She's swinging a dead rat.
Hi.
What's up?
Hi. Hey, it's Julie Girl. I'm one of the sliders.
Is that you? So that was like dumb
I
luck.
was in the character today.
And I was like, I don't, because when y'all in character, I sometimes don't know who's who. But now I know. This is a Six Flags, right?
Yep.
Six Flags slider. So you were definitely, were you the one that was
I'm the one that
drooled?
drools.
Oh, dang, she's dripping. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's me. I would have had my mouth stuffed today, but it's literally at work.
Oh, you working tonight?
Yeah.
Right on. So you really going all out all day, just like me.
Oh, I'm
Lordy.
gonna suffer because I need to take all of this off on the way there.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna give you a cameo appearance. I'm just sketching random stuff with a rat spinning in the air. Is it a rat or a rabbit?
It's a rabbit.
It's
His name's
a rabbit.
Butt.
Oh my goodness, let's get a selfie here. Anyways, we have horrific pics here, and we have the haunted house, the haunted oaks, and we have the horrific pics. And it's all ready to go here in the mall for you with MonsterCon. You can come do some haunted houses and take some scary pictures if you want. It's here for your liking. And we have tarot reading. Oh, he's a vampire or something. He got bit. He's ghostly. He's walking dead. Put a spell on me.
See the Grinch.
How cool is this? Oh, you're fine. Wow, so many new vendors. So many new things.
Oh, they knew that.
This is just simply
Oh my God, it's my buddy AJ. What's up, brother?
What's going on, Brian?
This is you?
Yes, this
This is you. You tell everybody what this is.
This is called Reaper's Collections. We're a locally owned store coming soon. You can come check out. This year we're going to be on Tahoe Vista Road with all our animatronics. So come on by, watch the amazing light show, and check out the animatronics I brought to the convention.
Dang, this dude is ginormous. I've seen the videos online, man. It does no justice. He's beast. That is sick. That is nice.
They only made, I think, around 120 copies of this one because that Michael Myers pushback. So, yeah, I was like...
Dude, I can see you on your stilts
Wearing
this bad boy.
Oh, man. This is one I was like, man, I can really do some damage with.
I like that one.
Yeah.
I like the little pits and seeds.
I was nervous when I saw the picture, you know, and I'm like, man, too good to be true.
Hello.
You got 30 seconds.
Gotta be wrecking everywhere, man. Oh, bam, just like that. That would be me. How cool. So see, you come to the mall and even do this with the monsters. Got Reagan. We have Sam I am. Look at that. Changes colors. How cool. What did I hear noise? Was that Sam? Oh, it's a little ghost. Hey, you trying to scare me, brother? He got me. It was so subtle, but it got me.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, stay spooky, my friends.